Hello friends, in this video we will learn all about parts of speech, which is the most important part in English grammar. In the end, I will give you the exercise for practice. So are you excited to learn? Let's get started. Every sentence is made of different words. These words are divided into different types based on usage in the sentence. These types are called parts of speech. There are 8 types of parts of speech in English. Let's learn one type at a time. Number 1. Noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, thing or an idea. They are also called naming words. For example, Ali, Karachi, camera, love. Here Ali is a name of a person, Karachi is a place, camera is a thing and love is an idea. Number 2. Pronoun. Pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. For example, Ali is a boy. He likes to make videos. Here, he is used as a pronoun. Number 3. Verb. Verb expresses an action or state of a subject. For example, Jessica is a teacher. She teaches English. Here, is defines the state of Jessica and teaches defines the action she does. Number 4. Adjective. An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun in a sentence. For example, he wore a brown jacket. Here, brown describes the color of a jacket. So, brown is an adjective. Number 5. Adverb. An adverb describes a verb or adjective in a sentence. For example, the sun shines brightly. Here, brightly describe the verb shines. Number 6. Preposition. Preposition links a noun or pronoun with other words in a sentence. Links means they provide a relationship between noun and other words in the sentence and makes the sentence complete. The other words may be noun, verb or adjective. For example, the cat is under the bed. Here, the word under links the noun cat and table. Number 7. Conjunction. Conjunction is a word that joins words or sentences. Join here means they connect two or more words or sentences. For example, John and Tom like cricket. Here and is used to join two words, John and Tom. Number 8. Interjection. An interjection is a word that shows a spontaneous feeling or emotion of a person. For example, wow, we learn parts of speech. Here, wow is a spontaneous feeling. I hope now you are clear about all parts of speech. Now let me give you an exercise to practice. Here you need to identify all the parts of speech from the given sentence. The sentence is, oh no, the brown dog jumped quickly over the lazy cat and its kitten. So, pause the video and write the answers in the comment section. I will show the answers in a while. The answers are on your screen now. I hope you have given the correct answers. You may pause the video again and verify your answers.